hot?
No. Do you feel hot?
Oh, I am hot.
You are hot. Definitely hot.
Hey everyone.
Hey.
So yes, a little hot today. We are still in the middle of summer here in Phoenix, so if we look a little flushed, we are flushed. So I want to do something kind of fun. I'm going to put an email address up here on the screen, and if you have a really awesome story about how your life has improved from being on this diet or even eating healthy, I would love it if you would send us an email, and if you feel comfortable, include a photo. Because at some point I want to take your stories and photos and put together a little montage, maybe a little video as kind of a...
Inspirational.
Yeah, to help other people. A lot of people come to this channel, as a lot of you have found this channel, and I would like to share it with you guys.
Absolutely.
And put something together. So here's the email address right down here on the bottom. Send us a photo and a story, and just know that I will be using it in a YouTube video, so don't send it if you don't want to be on this channel. And so yeah, thank you everyone.
Thanks for your support.
So today we're going to review one of the most popular recipe videos on Dr. Gundry's YouTube channel. And it's called Gundry's, what's it called?
Egg roll in a bowl.
That's right.
Which sounds amazing, because who doesn't love egg rolls, right?
The reason we do these videos is, number one, on Dr. Gundry's video, he made it in 5 minutes, which you can do, because he proved it, if all the ingredients are chopped and prepped. So we're gonna see how long it takes to make it. You know, if you just bought all the stuff, kind of pre-cooked stuff. I tried to get stuff bagged or pre-chopped as much as possible, but we still have to chop
some onions.
The onions.
Get some garlic ready, some
some
ginger.
of this stuff here.
Yeah.
So we'll see how long, and with 2 of us working at it, and then we're gonna taste test it. That's what we normally do, to see how good it is.
I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up the onion. I'm going to start to cut up the yellow onion, and then of course we have 5 green onions as well that we're going to be cutting up.
So now that you're working, what can I do?
Well, you
so
can
I
just
can
watch
peel
me.
the garlics and get them ready.
You don't even need to peel it since we're doing that thing.
But Jen doesn't like to peel it when we use the garlic press, but I do, because I think I get more garlic that way, but I might be wrong.
You're wrong.
Who doesn't love peeling garlic? Because then your fingers smell like garlic.
Who doesn't love peeling garlic? I'll tell you who, this girl right here.
But then all day long you can just be like, ah, smell like garlic.
Yeah, and the best is like when you're a dental hygienist and you work on patients, and through your gloves they're like, did you make something with garlic by chance last night?
No.
Oh, you are horrible. David. Oh. Oh my gosh.
What?
Stop it. Oh my goodness.
These are like little half garlics cloves, so it said 3.
Well, when they're little like that, I use a couple of them.
All right.
So I've got all the onion, a half a cup. I'm gonna go ahead.
Did you measure it?
I eyeballed it.
We're gonna measure it.
Well, of course we are.
Because that's why I'm here.
That's a shock.
I'm gonna measure. So
As I'm cutting these green onions, it does recommend cutting them on an angle, just so you kind of so they're kind of a little bit angled.
Good thing we measured. That was more like a cup of onion.
Well,
I'm gonna grab one of these because, like, when I see 5 green onions, I think each one of these is an onion. So 1, 2, 3. But Jen says you count by the bulb.
You count by the bulb.
On the bottom. So is this, I'll take a poll, is this 3 onions or 1 onion? You know, so we'll see what you guys say.
We do know.
I could Google it, but this is way more fun. I'm gonna refuse Googling
Harassing
it.
my wife is way more fun.
You guys know it is. All right, so we have everything ready?
Nope.
Oh, ginger.
Ginger.
So you want me to get like a little knife? Oh, I have one right here. A tablespoon?
Yes.
Seems like a lot.
I knew you'd want a measurement.
You know it. That's not really working. Wow, that's not even close. So, chopping with the big knife.
Oh, really?
Heck yeah, I'm all about the big knife. Okay, so now let's move this aside.
I'm gonna go ahead, since we are going to mix all of these ingredients together. We'll need this to measure the oil in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the onions on this as well. And then I'm going to press the garlic in this pile.
Because we do all three of those things first, right?
All 4 things, yes.
How many tablespoons of this oil?
2 tablespoons of the oil.
All right, let's dump the onions and stuff in. I can grab them, right?
You bet.
The rest of this here.
And you can actually even use that and fold it to get it in.
Okay, so now, we don't want to cook it too long, just a little bit.
Until the onions get translucent.
Just a little translucent, keep them a little crunchy.
The next we're going to add the corn.
We've never actually tried this before. This will be our first time.
Yeah, this is our first time, and we're excited to see how awesome it is. Wait, where's the sriracha?
Oh, we didn't have any sriracha sauce, did we? I don't think we do. So we're gonna do the non-spicy version because Jen doesn't like spice anyway.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the corn.
All right, and then this is just to get it warm according to the recipe, so we can pretty much move on to the next ingredients.
Skip the sriracha. You ready for me to salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Next, we're going to add the cabbage and broccoli slaw. Of the broccoli slaw, we're going to want to do 2 cups. So let's go ahead and add that first. 1 cup, 2 cups. And then let's go ahead and add not quite the whole bag of cabbage. I'm going to let Dave kind of stir that in just because it's going to get so big. Okay, ready for more?
Yeah, maybe a little bit more. That's good. According to the recipe, if you've seen it, I'm trying to watch it to see if it wilts just a little, but stays crunchy.
Yes, because that's key. Because if it's totally wilted, no one's going to want to eat that. Want to have a little bit of a crunch in an egg roll.
Right? Yeah.
Definitely.
All right, what's after this?
Next, we're going to add coconut aminos, and then some actual sesame seeds.
Two tablespoons of sesame seeds. It looks good.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
And is that it? Are we done?
That's it.
By the time we throw this in a bowl, it's going to take 20 minutes to make from scratch to done.
Yeah.
And that was just me struggling a little bit with the fresh ginger.
Fresh ginger.
I killed about 3 minutes on that thing, so.
It'll get you every time.
All right, should we take it off the heat?
Fresh ginger. Yes.
And we'll dish it up. Here we are for our taste test.
And we brought in Tasha.
Yay.
Yay.
So, who wants to go first? Tallest first?
Tallest.
Okay, here I go. I'm going to taste it. So, very good. I really like it. I mean, we have no spice in it, so this is pretty bland. I think you'll like it.
I'll love it.
But no, it actually tastes like an egg roll. Like, it's really good. Yeah.
Cool.
My opinion. Thumbs up.
Babes. Ooh.
2 thumbs up so far.
Oh yeah.
Don't ruin it for us.
You're like, you better love it. Very, very good.
Yeah.
It was easy. Obviously, you learn things when you make the recipe the first time. So second time we make it, we're not going to take the whole 20 minutes.
Could probably do it in 15 pretty
Very
easily.
simple, easy to make.
Yeah,
Great
really
recipe
easy.
for like a movie night or something, so you feel like you're kind of cheating a little bit on your food maybe, because it's amazing.
All right, everyone, we're gonna go eat now. So thanks for joining us.
Thanks
As
so
always,
much.
we appreciate your support.
Absolutely, we do. And we love the comments. Keep them coming in.
We love the comments.
So much inspiration from you guys, and it just helps us stay strong, so we appreciate it.